My name is George Juma. I am a teacher and a lead farmer. I'm leading farmer groups in Kochia. I went to Grekkon Limited to get their solar dryers. These solar dryers we want to use with farmer groups to at least add value to our products, agricultural products. Specifically, we want to dry bananas to make banana flakes. This is going to reduce post-harvest wastages and losses, and it's also going to add value so that we can make banana flour from these flakes, which can be used in baking, in breweries, and in making other products. We hope this is going to help farmers a great deal, and is going to boost profitability of farmers, especially in the banana value chain in this region and even beyond. We thank Grekkon Limited for their innovation, and we hope they are going to change the world and they're going to boost agribusiness. Thank you very much, Grekkon Limited.